Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trials through charity and nonprofit promotions, follow these step-by-step instructions to benefit from special offers extended to supporters of good causes. Step 1. Research. Which services and platforms offer special promotional deals for nonprofit supporters, volunteers, or donors, as many companies provide these as part of their corporate social responsibility programs. Step 2. Join nonprofit organizations that align with your values and check their member benefits pages for partnership deals with service providers. Step 3. Sign up for newsletters from both nonprofits and service providers to stay informed about special promotions tied to fundraising campaigns or awareness events. Step 4. When a promotion is announced, verify your eligibility by checking the specific requirements, which might include proof of donation, volunteer hours, or membership status. Step 5. Gather necessary documentation such as donation receipts, volunteer certificates, or membership cards that prove your connection to the nonprofit organization. Step 6. Visit the service provider's promotional page using the unique link provided by the nonprofit to ensure proper tracking and validation. Step 7. Complete the registration process by uploading or entering your verification information. Then follow all prompts to activate your free trial period. Step 8. Confirm that your account reflects the promotional access and explore the service thoroughly while supporting causes you care about. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.